Hey, today we're going to make a great casserole. This is an old recipe that I got from an old friend, actually, back in the early 90s. It's pork chops, rice. We're going to bring it all together into a cool casserole. Very inexpensive to make, and it's going to feed a nice-sized family. Let's get into it. We begin by greasing a 9 by 13 pan. We're going to add our uncooked rice to the bottom of that pan. Along with that, we're going to start chopping up a small onion. In a separate mixing bowl, we're going to add our chicken broth and then our garlic. And we're going to also add the cream of mushroom soups. And we're also going to add our diced onion to this mixture as well. And we're going to give it a very, very good stir to make sure it's all combined very, very well. Next up, we're going to add half of that mixture on top of the uncooked rice. To spread that out evenly. Now we're going to add our seasoned pork chops to the 9 by 13 pan on top of that mixture. And then we're going to take the remaining mixture and cover the pork chops completely. We're going to place tin foil over the top of the pan. We're going to make sure the oven's set at 350 degrees for 90 minutes. Now, next up, I have a recipe card for you to take a quick screenshot of. And if you love this video as much as I love cooking with you, give me a like and a subscribe so we can see more of each other. Now let's go get these pork chops out of the oven. Ooh, all right, here's our pork chop rice casserole out of the oven. Let's get a pork chop out. Oh yeah, look at that. So delicious. The rice, the onions. It's like it's laying right on top of a bed of rice. Let's go down and get some of that. Cream of mushroom soup. Look at that. So delicious. This makes a nice, gonna put a nice green vegetable with this and it'll be dinner served. So good. All right. Try it out. Mmm. Very savory, very comfort food, very casserole-like feeling, warm, cozy. Rice is perfect. Those onions in there, the cream of mushroom soup, all of the seasoning. It is delicious. So this one was pretty easy, folks. I'm glad that my friend showed me this recipe years ago. Now, my family always shows up for this one. This one's a favorite around my house, so I hope it becomes a favorite around yours as well. Have a good one. I'll see you in the next one.